and welcome to Nutrition Therapy by Lucy. This is a channel where we talk about food, good nutrition, and health. Thank you for your support, for always watching my videos, liking, commenting, but most importantly, for consuming my content. I am so grateful. But if you're here for the first time, please make sure you hit on that subscribe button, the red button. For the new subscribers, karibu sana. Feel welcomed. Here we talk all matters nutrition and health to make sure that we live or we have a healthy lifestyle, because we care about your nutritional status and we care about your overall health. So our today's topic, we are talking about ketogenic diet, or what we refer as keto diet. I know it's familiar with you because of its high rise in use. Today we are going to look at it. Is it worth using it? Are there risks? And also we look at the benefits of a keto diet. So, but before then, please make sure you hit on that subscribe button. Also get interactive in the comment section. Let me get to know if you've ever tried keto. How was it? Did you manage to use it well? Let me get to know the comment section. And also, as usual, give this video a like, and you can also share and turn on the notification bell so for upload just like these ones. So subscribe and let's learn. So a keto diet or ketogenic diet is a diet that is very low in carbohydrates, high in healthy fats, and also it has adequate proteins. In medicine, keto diet is used to manage epilepsy or control seizures in children. But lately, it has been used in weight management, diabetes management, among other non-communicable diseases. So what really happens to your body when you go for a keto diet? Actually, when you choose to go keto or use the ketogenic diet, your body enters into a ketosis metabolic state. By this, I mean your body starts burning fat or the stored fat for fuel instead of the carbohydrates. Remember, carbohydrates, they are energy giving foods because they are converted into glucose, or what we refer to as the blood sugar. But when you are on a ketogenic diet, a diet that is very low in carbohydrates, your body will enter, after some time, your body will enter into ketosis state of metabolism, where you're going to burn the stored fat for energy. So that's exactly what happens when you choose to choose when you decide to choose the keto diet. So we have different types of ketogenic diet. It's not just keto. Maybe you can let me get to know the comment section. Do you know the type of keto diet that you are using? Ama wewe tu unasema or you are on a ketogenic diet. So let's look at some of the ketogenic diets that we have. We have four major ones. We have a standard ketogenic diet. This is basically it contains 70% fat, that is the healthy fats, 20% protein, and 10% carbohydrate. And it is the most used form of ketogenic diet. Then we have the targeted ketogenic diet. This one, it allows you to add carbohydrates around your workouts. Remember, if you are someone who loves working out, physical exercise, remember you need lots of energy. And this form of ketogenic diet, it allows you to add some carbohydrates around your workout, just to keep you moving and to keep you energized. Then we have the cyclic ketogenic diet. In this type of ketogenic diet, you find that you have 5 days of keto diet, then followed with 2 days of high carbohydrate diet. So for the 5 days you're going keto, then 2 days you go for a high carbohydrate diet. So that is the standard. We've talked about the standard, we've talked about the targeted, we've talked about the cyclic. Then we have the one that we call the high protein ketogenic diet, more similar to standard keto diet, but in this one we have 35% is protein, higher than the one in standard, because in standard it's 20%. Then we have 60% fat, and also we have 5% carbohydrates. So those are 4 different forms of keto diet that you can use. Maybe now you can identify the type of keto diet you've been using, whether it's standard, whether it's cyclical, whether it's targeted, or whether it's high protein ketogenic diet. So there are some of the symptoms that can show you that your body has entered the ketosis state. Remember, ketosis state is that state that you start burning the stored fat for fuel, because you're no longer consuming adequate or enough of the carbohydrates, so your body is forced to use the stored fat as energy. And also, it's important to note that when you are on a ketogenic diet, it is very important you moderate your consumption of protein, because actually too much of the protein can be converted into carbohydrate, can be converted into blood sugar or glucose. I know that it's familiar, because even we can remember in our biology, we used to say during starvation unaanza kutumia the protein. So yes, it is very important you monitor you moderate your protein intake. So there are some of the symptoms that can show you that your body has entered ketosis state, and one of it is frequent urination, dry mouth, we have frequent thirst, and also we have decreased hunger. Those are some of the symptoms that can show you that your body now is in a ketosis state. So, are there benefits of ketogenic diet, or we are just using it for fun, just to try how our body will respond? But there are some of the healthy benefits that comes with a ketogenic diet. One, it has been shown to help in weight loss. It can also help in PCOS management. It can also help to reverse prediabetes, and also it can help to manage diabetes or type 2 diabetes. Remember, in PCOS and in type 2 diabetes, it's all about insulin. That insulin sensitivity, this type of keto diet can help to reduce the symptoms of PCOS, especially the insulin sensitivity, and also it can help to manage the type 2 diabetes. And also, a ketogenic diet can be used to reduce seizures in epileptic children. So with introducing anything in your body, you expect some of the side effects, and so can have there are some of the common side effects that your body can undergo before adapting to this type of diet. And one of it is digestive discomfort. Remember, you're consuming a diet that has no or very low in fiber, and fiber helps in digestion, and we get most of the fiber in our carbohydrates. So when you're not consuming a food that is high in fiber or carbohydrates, you can have some issues with your digestive. So there is digestive discomfort, and also we have poor energy and mental functions. Carbohydrates, and there is a link between the carbohydrates and mental functionality. Then we have increased hunger. Remember, the carbohydrates of the fiber, they have a higher satiety value. And so when you're not incorporating them in your diet, you can have those episodes of hunger. So there is increased hunger. And also we have decreased exercise performance. Remember, in exercise, you need lots of energy, and most of the energy we get it from the carbohydrates. And when you're not consuming enough of the carbohydrates, you can have that decreased performance or decreased physical performance. So we have the increased hunger because of low fiber or low carbohydrates. Then you have the digestive comforts, decreased exercise performance. We have poor energy and mental functions, and also you can have issues with your sleep. So it's very important, even if you want to adapt this type of keto diet, just go slow on it. You can start with introducing less carbohydrates before eliminating them maybe completely. but usibampie tu that una decide by kuanzia leo no carbohydrates. Remember, your body needs to be at that state of homeostasis, or what we call a state of balance. So ni vizuri before you decide to go to you decide to eliminate the carbohydrates completely, go slow, be easy with yourself. Unaweza anza na kidogo kidogo eliminate carbohydrates kidogo kidogo as you eliminate them completely. So are there risks that maybe you can encounter when you use this type of diet for a longer time? Yes, there are risks associated with ketogenic diet when you overuse it, or when you use it for a longer period of time. And this one is diabetic ketoacidosis. Especially if you are diabetic, then you use this type of carbohydrates for a long time, you can find yourself with diabetes ketoacidosis, or what we refer to as high levels of acidity in blood. That is what basically the ketoacidosis is. Then you can have low protein in your blood, micronutrient deficiencies, kidney stone, fatty liver, or the extra fat deposits in the liver. And also you can experience social isolation, or you can have disordered eating. So those are some of the risk of long-term use of ketogenic diet. And so can anybody just wake up and decide to use a ketogenic diet? The answer is no. We have a category of people that should avoid this type of diet, and one is expectant mothers, pregnant mothers. Please eat food from all the food groups. Eat your carbohydrates, eat your protein, your vitamins and minerals. Don't go for a ketogenic diet if you are pregnant. You need energy. And also, nursing mothers or breastfeeding mothers, you need foods from all the food groups. Then the type 1 diabetics. Remember, type 1 diabetes is not diet related. So you cannot go on a ketogenic if you are type 1 diabetic. Then anybody with pre-existing liver conditions, if your gallbladder was removed, or if you have pancreatic conditions. So those are some of the category of people that should avoid this type of diet. I hope you've learned something. You've learned what is a ketogenic diet. You've learned what the different types of ketogenic diet. By now you'll be able to identify the type of keto diet that you're using, some of the side effects, the risk factors of long-term use of ketogenic diet, and also some of the side effects that your body can undergo before adapting this kind of keto diet, or what we refer to as keto flu. I hope this video was informative. Let me get to know the comment section what you've learned, and also what you know about the ketogenic diet. And also you can share and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you get to be notified. And also subscribe for more of the nutrition tips, nutrition counseling, and more of nutrition education. Bye bye.